Hello friends, we are organizing our Organized Self-Employment Ministry 35 session from Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. Our book from which we are organizing is Truth Only Trumps. The main concept for the Organized Self-Employment Ministry session is that we should make a organized principle of organized self-employment, and we should become self-employment government servant. That is, a right of pension should be fundamental right. A right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office should be fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed. We should be preamble wise organized self-employed. There should be constitutional system for self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. From the Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847, from my house, room number 126. We are first of all praying room number first, the Shiv Puran, the 175 Mandir of Shiv Shakti, Parvati, and 12 Jyotir Mandir which I have choose for beginning our path. From 31st August 1946, we are taking the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, and 12 Jyotir Mandir which I have chosen for beginning our path by going in flashback on 31st August 1946, then coming back on the current date, from where we will start our organized self-employment ministry journey in human limitation. Then we are choosing the Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Puran, all the Hindu writers who have been working day and night for developing 130 crore Hindu population in human capital by their dedication. Truth and Non-Violence lecture, Truth and Non-Violence all over India, by pinpointing truth and non-violence in us and making us a growing India. The ISBN Puran of the libraries of Hindus all over India, where they have filled their book by truth and non-violence. The first book I am putting in this organized setup is My Truth Only Trumps, of singular way also, and singular way organized self-employment ministry and budget, and in 6 unborn family, Shiv Shakti, welfare power, live money, law education, Vishnu Lakshmi, live money, Brahma Saraswati, law education, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, non-veto husband, family, non-veto husband, truth savior, truth saviors, each united, worship God and Goddess, and government teacher, time husband, time wife. My ISBN certificate number is 8190186002X. Copyright number is 954/03/COL. Amit Kumar Jha, Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847. For the organized development by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. Then I am going to the fourth room, that is Adi Shakti Jagadamba room, and in that Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagwat, 175 crore Hindu Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir out of India, and 12 Jyotir Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir which I have recommended. And then I am going to the fifth room, that is Hindu Varshkit room, and then I am putting Mithila Varshkit, the other Varshkit, north, south, east, west, central India of Hindus. And then I am taking the government history versus the Gazette of India, the Constitution of India, and other things, and 12 Jyotir documents, Parliamentary, Supreme Court, bureaucracy, army, police, secretariat, so that we can work and take the government help also. We have been mixed up from 26 January 1950. Concept I am pursuing from 31st August 1946, from where the Clement Italy document is coming for the Independence Act, and the interim government is formed. And with that, the development of self will be started by our path. But what we require is, we made an idealistic development, but what we lacked, the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, by which we would have respected our politicians who had worked before 31st August 1946 by their own money. Now there is bifurcation in the new generation of the workers who are working in the industrial sector, politician sector, the educated sector, the women sector, the truth and non-violence sector, and the government sector, because money is required for everyone. This organized self-employment ministry and budget session which I am taking, I am explaining this is 35 session. Before that, I am regularly taking session from the 31st August 2001, when I thought of becoming a worker, a welfare worker, and then I started my journey. Then by family wise, I started with 16 February 2002 in 6 Unbound Way, and on documented system I am moving on the path. I have reached to be live to talk with you on this. You can purchase my book Truth Only Terms, which I have tried to organize in organized self-employment ministry and budget concept, and by that I have tried to develop it. It is a beautiful fantasy of 6 unborn family which we are living. For that, I make between 31st August to 11th September 6 unborn pair of the Murti, that is ideal image, and worship it. That is Shiv Shakti, that is Shiv Parvati welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilasa, that is live money, Brahma Saraswati, that is Hindu writers ISBN of different all subject, which is full library, 175 crore ISBN certificate, and Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Trinetra, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Mahikdarnam Mardani, and the Hindu Varshkrit, the different types of Hindu Varshkrit, God and Goddess, Surya, Chanma, Navagrit, Dhananjay, Gauri, Sankadi, Saptarshi, all with family, pair forms, and then Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita, the portrait which was made by Rabindranath Tagore, and on that basis Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita. And we have reached from 33 crore Aadhaar card, we have reached to 130 crore Aadhaar card. We are working, we are doing work, but little bit shifting in our concept, we can become self-employed government servant, and we will enjoy more, and we will have double salary. This is our main motive, that we should become a documented mover, and on that basis we have already Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, and photo election ID card. We don't have the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing card. That is, this I am holding the fiscal credit table. By this, we unorganized sector, wherever we are working, and we are the sons of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham. And the rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, and each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham, in a democratic manner. We are free to speak and do anything. But one thing I have tried to make it organized, so that whenever, if we are at any age, as we have our universities and colleges, as we have our parliament house, as we have our reserve bank, as we have our industrial setup, this organized self-employment ministry will be fixed with the document system. 6 unborn documents I have put. The Kailash Dham document, that is Shiv Puran document, in the form of Rashtrapati Bhavan, Kailash Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan. Second, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, in the form of Vaikunth or Kshir Sagar Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Brahma Saraswati, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, that is ISBN Purana as Rashtrapati Bhavan, Brahma Saraswati, that is law education. Then I have put the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Durga Savi Devi Bhagavad as Rashtrapati Bhavan, and then each united God and God University as Rashtrapati Bhavan, and then government is the Constitution of India, Gazette of India as Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then I have tried to link the concept to the main Rashtrapati Bhavan at New Delhi and the different governor house, as its name is also 6 governor house. I have tried to put the concept by signaturing by this fiscal credit whichever age we are, and we are becoming self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, sure, and self-employed government servant all over India. Work from home, and whatever work we are doing, that is being validated. That is constitutional validity on income work has come by this concept, if it will get validity from the Parliament and Vidhan Sabha. I have tried to join by the concept and trust 4,500 MPs and 4,500 MLAs all over India who are working in the different sector, and 750 Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha members. Apart from this, nationally 750 multinational Hindu family and 4,500 multinational Hindu family all over state. Similarly, 750 Brahma Saraswati, that is ISBN family, scientists, press, editors, the writers, the lawyers family, and 4,500 lawyers, editors, scientists, Hindu scientists, professors, educated family, teachers family. Similarly, the 750 women families who are working in India on the India level, and 4,500 women family on the state level all over 29 states. Similarly, the 750 truth and non-violence worker all over India centrally, and 4,500 state-wise workers all over India. Similarly, government workers who are working day and night in all the areas, flood areas, border areas, in the villages, 700 centrally, and 4,500 state-wise, so that a organized family system by the document system by which we can move. And we have to understand, in this 6th room from the Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, we have to understand that the organized self-employment ministry is also teaching us that we are devoted politician of one family in one room, we are devoted industrialists of one family in one room, we are devoted educationist, Hindu scientist, Hindu editor, Hindu lawyers all over India, we are devoted mothers, sisters, daughter-in-law, workers, sales managers, teachers, professors as women all over India, we are devoted truth and non-violence workers all over India of a democratic India, and we are devoted government servant of all over India. By the document system as the mirror system, as from the mirror we are showing our face. Similarly, by document system, we are writing to the organized self-employment ministry that my age is this, I am following the principle of Amit Kumar Jha by the document system and fiscal credit system, and abide by the rules. By the self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal, whatever work we are doing, it is being given validity, and we are putting it as a vote bank. We are understanding our democratic rights from 26 January 1950. By this way, we are understanding our work, and according to that, this fiscal table, this is our fiscal credit salary. And this, it is an organized system, and it will go hand in the organized self-employment ministry finance system, finance minister, and automatically by the organized system we will become preamble wise organized employed and preamble wise organized self-employed, and the political party president will take the document. Automatically we will try to debate. I have tried to make the adjustment by 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, because 70% of the population are 30,000 per month below, and 30,000 are 30,000 per month above order, so that the value of the education and the truth and non-violence remains, because the clever person can easily defeat a person who is not understanding, and understanding is also required, but understanding come by learning, and all this we get experience by the age, but here we are trying to understand the concept. The document is saying that we are the sons of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God in Buddhist Dham and government Dham, and we are getting self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, and we are the sons of this. And by the document method, by signaturing, we are transferring our power to the MPs and MLA. In lieu of that, we are getting fiscal credit salary, pension, gratuity, provident fund, D&S allowance, and by putting our chair and table, we are becoming self-employed government servant, work at home and all over India. We can work in the private sector, because organized self-employment working is optional work. Optional work means the work according to the organized self-employment ministry and budget senior managers who are telling this work is required and you have to come. That is all. And since it is oriented, because all the workers are linked to it, 130 crore Aadhaar card are linked to it, automatically the message is passed wherever we are waiting, because it is a fair deal which will be generated on the trust and non-violence and democracy. Automatically the development will be pure, because what we will get on that, the bank will also give loan. And automatically if 10 rupees we are getting and bank is recognizing it, on that basis bank can immediately move, because we have self-help group and different types of group. We have to organize ourselves. That is our main motto. And my principle is that if 10 rupees is being given guaranteed from the government and we are being acknowledged as self-employed government servant, automatically self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing finance commission will be established, as we are establishing the 14th finance commission, and on that basis 130 crore will get value. If 1 rupee is increased from the central government and state government, automatically if we are getting 10 rupees salary, 11 rupees it will become, and in 73 years it will be 173 rupees. 10 rupees will become 83 rupees in 73 years. Means we lacked on 26 January 1950 this system. Now it is required because the life has become more difficult. One money earning in organized manner is becoming difficult. Those who are in confidence, they can take it optional, because it is not a compulsory work. What we require is the work from our side, what we are working and the support we are getting, because everyone has something from their home. Only thing is required support from the democratic government, and this is possible by signaturing, because we are knowing that we are the sons and daughters of this, and whichever god and goddess murti we have in our house, this is connected to the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess dham. If we are recognizing this murti as the Rashtrapati Bhavan Murti, the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the government dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan Murti, and we are organizing at the point Amit Kumar Shah by the document method, and shifting our power to 4,000 MPs and 4,500 MLAs. And similarly multinational corporate, educationist, women, truth, non-violence, and each united goddess. What we are becoming self-employment government servant, and we are getting fiscal credit salary, and in lieu of that we are becoming vote bank, and they are coming to our ministry in organized self-employment ministry as a dignified citizen that we have given to you. The trust we also have generated, because we relied on the documents of Amit Kumar Jha, and they also related. Automatically what is happening, we are becoming a self-employment. Now in these circumstances we have to acknowledge everyone wants to earn. What is there in politician life, 40 years struggle, then only they are becoming MPs and MLA. If we are not connected to the any MP and MLA, we are not directly being elected as Mukhia or the MPs and MLA. In that circumstances, whole life is moving in struggle. We have to acknowledge that politicians are also earning, because in industry what is happening, if we are getting one job, automatically we start earning whatever 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. But here what is there, if we want to become a politicians, we are not able to earn. In that circumstances what happens, 30 years is spent on that, full family life become hells. We are not able to maintain our family in these circumstances. And also in the work also, in private sector also, we require at least 5 years, 6 years long struggle. We require 5 years, 6 year long struggle to maintain this. When we are struggling on this path, what happens, so many eventualities is occurring in our life, and we develop a different types of ego. All this can be removed by this equilibrium point, because we are knowing that this is our capacity, and if we do not want, we will not go. Then organized self-employment senior managers will counsel us, because we are in the age of tender, 1832. At that time we are taking fiscal credit salary, we are the organized self-employment minister servant, and we are directly linked to the parliament and multinational corporation, organized family, organized literature people, organized women, and organized truth and non-violence, and organized government servant. They can immediately counsel us, because the regular briefing will be taken on this, on our whatever organized self-employment mail is there, automatically through the Amit Kumar Jha document method, and automatically the briefing and meetings will make us an organized citizen. If we are sitting in the illiterate chamber, or in the signature no number, or in the 5th class, 8th class, 10th class pass, or in the 12th class pass, or in the graduation pass, or in the post graduation, or in the DLET, MPhil, or PhD chambers, or in the double PhD pass chambers, we will be sitting organized, and according to the 1832-46-58 area, we have to generate a trust and faith in Amit Kumarja Sardapur Lonanadanam. We have to understand that we all are earning. We have not given. Our women members are also earning in our house. What they are earning? The sons and daughters. The system has changed now. There was a time when monarchy was the ruler, but gradually equality, liberty, fraternity came, and we became democratic member. Then the time came when only men member were getting vote. Then gradually women member also started getting paid. Now the time has come that all are earning. That is the time. In that circumstances, we require a fiscal credit table, like a uniform employment system, which should be linked to the Prime Minister and Chief Minister and 750 MPs, 4,500 MLAs, and all the god and goddess portrait which we have in our house. If we are purchasing in 1 rupees or 10 rupees or whatever for our Pushpanjali and worship and doing our Dupkati Aarti, we have to understand that this organized setup will always develop, and that we have to reach from 31st August 1946, where the Clement Attlee document is coming for the independence. Before that also our economy was moving. Before that also 30,000 above person were earner also, because in those days also this 30,000 per month earner I am telling, who is strictly being changed. In those days it was 30 rupees per month earner. Now it has become 30,000 per month earner. Means if we are 29,999, then also we are not reaching that point. We have to be 30,000 earner per month, then only we are able to reach to that position. That we have to bifurcate, because 70-30 ratio is there. On that basis, all tries to develop in organized manner, because we all require a strict discipline. It is only possible by the document method and by the transfer method, because we have to make 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, which will be linked to 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan, where our Rashtrapati is functioning. Our president is functioning. Similarly, 6 governor house and linked to 1 governor house by the document signing method, where our 1 governor is working, and from where our prime minister and the chief ministers are working on the behalf of the president and governor by the public opinion. Because when we are signing, our 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs are also earning from the room number 1 to 6 of Sardapur Lonanadan of mine. All the workers are working all over, moving. We are scattering and we are moving in different ways and moving all over India. Because in 130 crore Aadhaar card, we are going to the different area. In that, the men workers, men Aadhaar card and the women Aadhaar card, we are dividing. Then we are dividing 30,000 per month above earner. Then we are dividing the MLA and MPs and the multinational corporation educationists, those who are above 30,000 per month. Automatically, we are becoming in a common man lifestyle. And in organized self-employment ministry, we are entering into a self-employment government job in our home. Work from home, work from office. And by the self-chair and self-table, we are by the Amit Kumar Jha rented office, organized self-employment office all over India, by putting this fiscal credit table in the center of our work, by making the chambers of the illiterate signature known 5th pass, 8th pass, 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation, post graduation, double PhDs, all chambers we are making, and according to that we are putting our table and chair. Automatically we are organizing in the best part, because a PhD person will be comfortable with the PhD other person. Like-minded people are required, because 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month before, that equilibrium point is the political point and the industrial point on which we are moving our market, because market is also stable on this. Because if we have the regular income, automatically market will be fixed, because we will develop a habit and automatically a customer will be organized, which we are lacking in this part. Because now we are changing. From 2001, we have seen the change in the consumer habit, because we developed liberalization, privatization and globalization from 1991. Before that, our economy was strict between 1947 to 1990. We had a great debacle in the foreign exchange and we were pressured by the World Bank and the IMF. But now we are mature, we are understanding that self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit is a regular phenomenon. As we are eating, as we are taking bath, because this is self-employment government job. Our work has been validated by the fiscal credit table. It can be 1 rupees also. If 1 rupees is also being guaranteed by the government of India and the state government of India, and we are becoming self-employed government servant, what will happen? We will be organized employee, and we will have the status that we are working in organized self-employment ministry of Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360077, from the rented organized self-employment office at Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, all over India, because we are an organized self-employment government servant, and the work have been given status. If we are of illiterate class, or we are of signature role, or we are of PhD graduation, whatever, in chambers we are sitting into the organized method, and we are moving with that, and automatically the multinational corporation or any types of people can come to that, because like-minded people are sitting, automatically they will check each other, and organized self-employed senior manager, according to the document science, we can manage on ourselves. Only thing is that we have to recommend, we have to generate trust between the MLAs and MPs and the multinational corporation, educationists, the fundamentalists, the liberalists, the radicalists, all, that we all require to be a earner. The validity of being an earner will make us self-employed government servant, and infinite population, infinite profession will be managed automatically. Which photo we have in our house, that is the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House photo, that we have to acknowledge, and we have to link by the document system of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Whichever photo our mother father is worshipping, that is being linked to the Rashtrapati Bhavan and to the Governor House, because already we have linked from the Nehru side from 26 August 1947, that the Shivratri, Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, all types of puja we are doing, and we have been married to the different families. We are the sons, 130 crore Aadhaar card, we are the sons of the 33 crore. No one has come from the outside. We are the same person. We are the same. Prime Minister office is same. President office is same. The same President office which Rajendra Prasad was working for 10 years, and the same Mr. Kovind is working. We have to understand it. The same office where the Narendra Modi is sitting, the same Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was sitting when he first unfurled the flag of national. We have to understand that we are the sons of Trishul Vermilion mark, the Chakra Vermilion mark, the Kamandal Vermilion mark, the Trinetra Vermilion mark, the Varshkit book Vermilion mark, and the government stamp Vermilion mark. We are the sons of this, and 6 unborn rays are coming from the Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, which have to be organized in the document method, so that our sac will not have the leakage, because it is coming leakage, and the water we are feeling, it is moving down. We have to make it by the constitutional correction, by the constitutional belt, because by the Rashtrapati Bhavan concept we are signing and Prime Minister is taking over. In lieu of that, 1 rupees or 2 rupees or 3 rupees, whatever guarantee he is giving on our educational certificate, we are linked to the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. No pressure is there. Automatically we will be evaporated, we will be excited that we have to become human capital, because salary is of graduate is of 2 rupees and salary of PhD is of 3 rupees. Now there is gap between the PhD and the graduation, because 2 years gap is there. 2 year means lot of period is there, because so many professors and all thousands and thousands of books and thousands of literature we will write, then only we will done PhD. That we have to understand that something we have to do, so that our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing is organized, and on that basis we will be organized. Automatically like-minded people will recommend, automatically political party president will come to us, and automatically they will give us guidance, because we are the vote bank of them. We are the sons and daughters of all the political parties, all the multinational corporation, all the legal lawyers, all the executives, all the in the lieu of that, I am also recommending that as we have legislature, executive, judiciary, similarly we have to be documented by the democratic document. 6 unborn family, home office in the court martial room, because by this way we will be understanding that we are belonging from the 6 unborn family, because the national image of this is that the Shiv Puran, the Shiv Shakti Mandir, The national image is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran. National image is the Brahmasrasi, the ISBN Puran. The national image is Adi Shakti Jagadamba Puran, the great Shiva woman of Hindus. The national image is the each united Varshkrit god and goddess, the saviors. If nothing is there, automatically this is there. National image is our Constitution of India. So we have to understand, we don't have to forget that we were the people who, without spending our money, without taking money from the government, whatever earning we were doing in those days, 30 rupees was the standard. Means now what it is, 30,000 per month above. That 30% above people were working for the constitution making, and for 67 years we did the session. And now it has time to come, we have to come together, because the civilization has moved, the generation has moved. Our forefathers were doing these things. Now we are in the fourth generation, we are the great grandson now. We have to gather momentum for understanding what is the need of our. We have to acknowledge that politicians are all earning. This is the earning of politician. Multinational corporation, the industrialists are earning. This is the earning of industrialists. The lawyers, the teachers, the professors, all are earning. This is the earning of all. The earning women are also earning. This is the earning of women. The truth and non-violence is also earning. This is the earning of truth and non-violence. This is the earning of government. Means we have to understand, we have to respect each other earning by acknowledging that we are earning. We are self-employed government servant. Infinite population, infinite profession, we have infinite work. The constitutional validity system on our work and education will acknowledge us as self-employed government servant. We can tell to our family, and our family can tell to us that this is our earning. As I am a graduate, I am earning 10 rupees. As I am a postgraduate, I am earning 12 rupees. And our finance minister, organized self-employment ministry finance commission, will automatically recommend that next year the inflation has increased, so 1 rupees can be increased, or 10% of 1 rupees can be 10 paisa can be increased. We have to understand the concept that our sack of the organized self-employment ministry is not there, so money is moving here and there. It is not organized. What is happening? We are not able to organize ourselves. Little bit space in our mind by the Amit Kumar Jha-ism and Amiteshwarism and 31st August 1946-ism. By the story method, if we are putting 6 unborn family, we all are getting constitutional status. This fiscal credit table is giving validity to we all. We as a industrialists will get benefit. We as a professors will get benefit. The children is already settled. We have to making quality. We as a scientist will always get benefit. That we are already settled. We have to do better. Of course, negative effect is also there. But as a senior, as a neighbor, as a parent, we can guide. This is wrong and this is good. What is your aim? You have to move on that. This we have to understand. By self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing system. This fiscal credit I am doing session 35 session. This is to acknowledge. And from 31st August, I have done 700, 500 on the singular level, and on the family level, 14,888 session. We have to understand that the session is regularly going from the Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126. In honor to make a democratic system, because we all will get the double salary by the covering of this sack system. Because if we are putting anything in a sack, what will happen? It is organized. Abhi just now how we are keeping like this only on a irregular basis. So what is happening? I have tried to make a uniform sack system, like a kangaroo system, where the things are organized. And in the market everything is free, because we are giving full space to the market. 0 to 30,000 and 30,000 per month above. Means things are being distributed here and there, and everything is organized, because where we are putting our thing, that is also organized, and where we are getting money, that is also organized. Means we all are organized by the organized self-employment ministry system, and it is safe also. It is privatization only. Globalization, liberalization, and privatization. If we are going by eating from our home, the other person is also offering us a good food, that no, you have come to our house, you must take lunch. Otherwise, if we are not eating from our home or drinking from our home, what is happening? The other person is also saying that he has not been hungry, he is hungry and he is thirsty, so better leave him. We should choose the other. We have to think in ourselves that this is the welfare of our. We have to understand this uniform employment system is a requirement of today. Wherever we are, at wherever date we are, this fiscal credit table will make a self-employment government job, and by Amit Kumar Jha, Zarapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126. All over India, we can open the branch by the organized self-employment. Our political party members, our multinational corporation members, our lawyer members, all our teacher member, our scientist member, our women member, our truth and non-violence and government members can come, and immediately it can open by the validity system. And we will, what work we are doing in that, we are becoming self-employment government servant by the blessing. The photos which we are keeping in our heart and in our room, in our worship hall, in each household, that is the blessing of this. We have to understand from the national view and from the state view that the time has come. The document system will make us in the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan. The rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adishakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham. And through Amit Kumar Jha document system, it is going to the Prime Minister office and Chief Minister office. And this fiscal credit table can become common in the platform and everywhere, bus stand and everywhere. By the truth only Trump's method, we are organizing for the worship between 31st August to 11th September and the 16th February to 26th February. The ideal, the image which we are worshipping, to the God in our home by the Pushpanjali Aarti, the same image we are coming to the 4 square and worshipping in organized manner. And what we are worshipping, that our industrial work, our political work, our educated work, our legal work, our scientific work, our women work, our truth non-violence work, our government democratic work should be neat and clean, and it should move above 30,000 per month. We should become human capital, and we are organized, already we are organized by the document system, and nothing is adjusted. We are free. The work in organized self-employment ministry is optional. We are already privatized. Means which work we are doing, if we can tell in the organized system, if all graduates are sitting and if we are telling that this work I am doing, and the fiscal credit giving us validity and parliament is giving us validity, and if we have the strength to continue for lifelong, this is the validity work. We will develop into the professionalism. We have to understand double work, a flexible work hour is required by the industries, and also we are making document. Means 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan is allotted to the, with the control of the 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan which we already have, from where Nehru and we all started our journey, and where our Narendra Modi is sitting, our Prime Minister is sitting, our Chief Minister is sitting. We have to understand that the thinking is above the times and on the below and on the foot of ground, where we are sitting in the lap of earth in the garden. We have to understand the softness of the grass which is being provided by this. This is the reality of life. We have to respect each other. The fiscal credit table is making us uniform self-employed earner. If we have confidence, we will not show self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. But we should show self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. And these should become self-employed government system by direct ministration. Right of educational certificate capital value will make us human capital. Throughout life, if any degree we are earning for this, our educational certificate is given capital value, and seniority position is provided. And in connection with the lecturers, professor and teacher, automatically some guidance is given. We have to understand our age is 18, 32, 46, 58 years. The time has passed. We have to acknowledge a fiscal credit table by which we are becoming self-employed government servant, and automatically we will be able to move in our life with the organized system. The self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit system will make us a beautiful life. We have everything. We have to work for ourselves. We have to devote for society. We have to understand. We have to support Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar for making organized self-employment ministry. We all MPs and MLA should support, and automatically we can build a fiscal credit table. A uniform employment system will develop us into a uniform developed society, and we will not face any problem in the life. We have to understand that the time has come that we have to make organized self-employment ministry and budget and move with the time. We have to come together. Organized self-employment ministry we have to make organized self-employment ministry and budget. Thank you.